Hi guys, how to fix Facebook Messenger video call issue. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps like this. When you open the apps now, click here on Messenger, click on Force Stop and then click on Storage. Click on Clear Data and Clear Cache. Go back again, click on Permissions. Make sure to enable every single permission right here. Go back again and click on Force Stop. And now all what you want to do is go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode, and after 5 seconds disable it. That's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.